Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Tauchsport 52mm black-faced SPG. So this is a pretty traditional brass and glass SPG, submersible pressure gauge, with the black face, which is very modern, makes it a lot easier to use in low light conditions. Let's take a closer look. So this is how it arrives in a neat little cardboard box. You just got a barcode on the front, nothing too fancy, something very easy to recycle, and then you get the gauge itself. Does not come with a swivel pin, so that's something definitely worth noting. Whilst I've got the scales here, I'm just going to weigh it quickly. So that's just about 200 grams. It's got a decent weight to it, something that you want in your gauges. No rattle in it neither, which is nice. So yeah, black face. So this is the way a lot of submersible pressure gauges are going, because in dark, low light conditions, if you shine a torch on it to see, you're not going to blind yourself, as opposed to a white-faced gauge. But during the daytime, you can still read it anyway, so it makes no difference. The needle on this actually glows in the dark, so if you do shine a torch on it, it's going to continue to glow for a few minutes afterwards, so at least you can still see roughly where that needle is. Tempered glass on the front, nice and strong. You have a brass outer, which is a little rough for my tastes, but over time that's going to sort of wear down and smooth out. Nothing overly fancy on the back, and then the thread itself is just going to be a traditional high pressure, what's that, a 7/16 inch thread, so you should be able to fit that to pretty much any high pressure hose. But overall, yeah, a good solid gauge, nothing too fancy, no branding on the front, which is quite nice. You don't get the brands all over the face. You just get the numbers. They're linear gauge as well. It's not graduated or anything. Yeah, can't really fault it. Okay, so that's the Tauchsport 52mm black-faced SPG. So 52 is the external diameter. For the diameter of the face, that's closer to 42mm across, but this is a pretty standard size. This is probably exactly the same size as my SPG that I use at home. There's far more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below so you can check it out. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.